Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we will be making Pakistani styled egg fried rice. Let's get started. First we will boil rice. For that we need 1 tablespoon salt in boiling water and add 1.5 cups soaked basmati rice and boil it. After that, drain the excessive water. This much rice is enough to serve 2 to 3 people. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. And add a pinch of salt and a pinch of chili powder. Then mix it properly. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok, or you can use any deep pan, and add egg. Cook the eggs completely and then take it out and set aside. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it up, and then add 1 medium-sized green bell pepper, 1 finely cut carrot, and 4 green onions cut into small pieces. First we will add the white part of the green onion, and the green part we will use later. And then add 2 cups shredded cabbage. Give it a good stir so that the vegetables can be mixed properly. Add the boiled rice and then give it a good mix. Now we will start to season our rice. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chicken powder, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. And if you want, you can use chicken cubes instead. Or if you're vegetarian, you can skip the eggs and chicken powder. Now put the prepared egg and then give it a very nice stir. To get the aroma of the spices, cover it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add green part of the green onions that we had cut before. And give it a final stir before our egg fried rice is ready. Pakistani style egg fried rice is ready to be eaten. If you like our recipe, please give it a thumbs up and try the recipe and let us know in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.